This one is, what is this the name here? Like that. Okay. So it's like a restaurant here. A restaurant area. So they have a little restaurant over there. And over there. Oh, so amazing. There's a house that's over there. But the houses is very old. It's like very old houses and very small. So I don't know what kind of living they have. You see that? It's very small and very old house. Like need to renovate some of it. But very historical. I think it's too cold here in the winter time. I guess so. It's hot. That's a house also. Beautiful Alps car. I forget the name. So finally we are at the back of that mountain that I shared with you guys. So we are at the back. You see the road? It's so clean, the road. And oh my, it's like there's a landslide over there. Oh, they have a Christmas tree there.
You see this line here? Up?
Mm.
They have a
There's electricity.
There's a farm to get the hay.